And everybody say the same. Start for free, work your ass off, and think outside the box. I mean, and everybody say the same. Start for free, work your ass off, and think outside the box. I mean, it's something that you must do it. I don't know if you would like to know, but one of my biggest jobs, I mean, when I was racing, I stopped because the federation had some troubles over there with the license, and I couldn't race, so I need to work. I was already graduated on engineering as a mechanic at that time. I went to the next race. At that time, we are talking about almost 20 years ago. I print my CV in CDs. I don't know if, I think everybody knows what is CD. I print 20 CDs, right? Compact disc. And I present myself to the paddock. I buy a ticket. I went inside. I buy also the paddock passes, whatever. And I stop team by team. And I ask for a team manager. I present myself. And I deliver all my CVs over there. At that time, you know, I take my car. I move to the racetrack. I mean, this is something for sure many people done it. But this is how I did it. Later on, 2 weeks later, 2 teams call me the same day. And later on, I took my base. Okay, I think this team is better than another one. You know, this is a factory team, and you know, blah blah blah. I was in Italy at that time. I love Italy. I love everybody. So I took that direction. This is how I started myself. This is my personal case.